Today, I'm going to show you how to view invoices in Google Ads. This is essential for tracking your advertising expenses and maintaining proper financial records for your business. First, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. After you're successfully logged in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your account. Locate and click on the Billing option. This section contains all the financial information related to your advertising campaigns, including payment methods, transaction history, and of course, your invoices. Once you click on Billing, the menu will expand to reveal additional options. From this expanded menu, look for Billing Reports and click on it. This is where Google Ads consolidates all your spending data and financial documents in one accessible location. After clicking on Billing Reports, you'll see an overview of your balance and spending activity. This page gives you a snapshot of your current account balance and recent transactions. Now, to view the actual invoice document, you need to look for the Current Month section, which typically appears as a drop-down menu. Click on it to see more details about your billing period. From here, locate and click on the View Documents button. This action will direct you to the Documents page where all your invoices are stored. On the Documents page, you'll see a list of your monthly invoices organized chronologically. However, if you've just started using Google Ads, you might notice that nothing is visible yet, and this is completely normal. It's important to understand that Google Ads operates on a specific billing cycle that starts on the 5th of each month. This means you'll typically see your invoice appear on or after the 5th day of every month. So, if you're checking earlier in the month, you may need to wait a few days for your invoice to be generated and become available for viewing. And there you have it. You now know exactly where to find your Google Ads invoices and when to expect them each month. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.